Hello, everyone. My name is Gregory Castleman, and I'll teach you how to make a Balatro main theme. So you have to go with G major, 110 beats per minute, and 7 and fourth time in signature. So we're going to start with chords, and it's going to be like this, like G major, just simple. And it's the same thing to the other instrument, but different in chords, like this: A minor, A sustain, and A diminished, and back to G. Oh yeah, forget this note. It'll be just just be make the same in G major, same chord G major. So yeah. And here's the drum sets. Oh yeah, I forgot. Um yeah. House always wins. So let me show you this drum set. Like this. Those drums, here it is. Yeah, it'll be the same over and over again. And here's the bass line. You might know in the beginning, like this. And here's the bass. Here's the full bass line. And here's the strings. Again, it's still the same theme as the chords, but not rhythm metric. And here's the melody. Oh yeah, the effects is going to be chorus. I did it. I just did this. The triangles. Yeah, you need to go chorus rate. Sorry about that. So here's the melody. It'll be the same melody, but but octaves. Oh yeah, forget that melody. It's the my song's not finished. So and now you made this Balatro main theme song. We're not going to listen to the whole thing. I'm going to release this video for real quick. So happy GML.